We want to speak to you about the
We wanna talk
incident.
to you.
About the incident, not just standing here. We want to sit down and fill it out.
We want you to hear.
So the process says you fill it out on paper and you drop it off.
We want to talk to you.
About
Okay,
it.
you can talk to me.
Standing here, there's no seat, no table, nothing? You don't have a
What
room?
would you like to talk about?
About the violation of my rights that your officer
Okay, so
did.
let's talk.
Standing here, you don't have a private room, nothing?
Correct.
Okay. So where, can I get a pen?
You don't have
Give me
a
one,
pen?
give me one. I don't have a pen, sir.
Okay, so you can go find a pen.
I'm here to fill a complaint form against one of your officers.
Fill it out.
You provided the form. Where do I find the pen, sir?
Okay, so that's the form.
I need 2 pens, one for my son and one for me.
So I can see you're very agitated.
Because of the way you treated me.
And I understand that.
And because of the way your cops treated me as well. And I
understand.
requested for a sergeant on site, and I had to put gas. I had to put $50 gas and drive over here in order to speak to you, and you're giving me an attitude.
Well, I can see you're very upset.
Of course.
Understand.
You were supposed to be on site over there. Why didn't you
How
go?
much gas did you put in your car?
$50.
$50?
Yes.
That's a lot of money now.
Yes, yes. You should have gone on site when I requested for you.
That form, you
Yes.
fill it out, and then you can drop it
I
off.
need the pen, and I want to fill it out with you. I want to let you know who's above you, man. This is bad, but what's your name?
We don't need to provide a pen.